Wait a minute. The farmer here, he has a son.
So, what do we do?
We let him act tough in front of the boy.
And then we remind him of his obligations.
Yours is unloaded. You give him a chance to be brave. And then, you let him see it. Let's get this done. Very well. Then I will leave you in the hands of my friend here. Enzo?
You're going to shoot me? Offer 100 lira.
I hope I don't have to.
See how the boy likes it, Caruso.
You want to point that at someone? Point it at me.
The hero.
Pay what you owe and nobody gets hurt.
All right, all right. You got what you came for. Now get out of here.
So good to see you, as always.